Everybody's here. Oh God, maybe not.
He doesn't know where to go.
He pulls over. So.
It's getting hot.
Ugh.
Right turn ahead onto Meeting Street.
Did you want to continue touring a little bit, or do you want to short it? Oh, this guy's going. I'm going straight ahead.
Okay.
Can look at the houses.
Continue on the current route.
Yeah, you want to aim for 17. Okay, Broad Street, and then you turn left.
It's telling me to go straight ahead and
0.8
right.
miles to
Yep.
the left.
and to. Well, we got to jog to the right a little bit, apparently.
Bridge is 17. Okay, probably. And then the houses get a bit smaller.
Yeah.
Only 3 streets. Every city has its rich area like this, huh?
Oh God, there's another horse coming out.
We got flowers growing. Good. Yeah. Never comes. Oh, they're working on it.
It is 25 outside.
Yeah.
Celsius.
Yeah. A lot of red brick with white windows and black side awnings. Until it's Christmas holidays, so not as busy as it could
In
be.
about 400 meters, left turn at the end of the road onto Broad Street.
All of that goes along the water.
Speed bump. Good God.
Left turn at
Look
the
at
end
the
of the
size
road
of this
onto
boat.
Broad Street.
These cars have been dragging on it. It's so high. Look at this guy. He can drag it. I mean, he's pulled over where it's not quite so.
Turn left here.
Good Still good?
Yeah. The next one is 17 South. That's that bridge.
Head for the bridge.
They're going to build another building here. They're going to lose their view.
Woo!
What
It's
are
sharp.
you doing here? You're acting like a tourist. It's a big harbor. These houses are a little less opulent. They have a nice view. Here's the modern downtown. And you're going to see signs for 17 South.
We don't go over this bridge. We keep going.
Okay. Now you will go over a bridge. What's that?
I don't know. Oh,
In about 400 meters, left turn
turn.
onto Ashley River Memorial Bridge.
go over the bridge.
Where did it be?
I don't know.
Still green.
Left here, where all everybody else is going.
Left turn ahead onto Ashley River Memorial Bridge.
Just building these. We got little. Think.
Ah, he's got a police sticker. I mean, I could put a sheriff sticker on too.
Oh, you should.
People would think, oh,
See? Harbor, Bristol. Yacht Club.
it's a one-way bridge. Cute little towers.